one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do.
It's a rainy morning, but we are on the trail to
Emerald Pools.
It's a gorgeous morning. Zion is really beautiful when there's some weather, and I don't know if you can see it, but there is snow right up there behind me. It's beautiful.
You just keep moving on and don't look back.
Trail to the Emerald Pools this morning was awesome. Now we are going to check out Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, the court of the patriarchs.
Yeah.
We are just about to wrap up our short trip to Zion, and not Zion, Zion, right?
Zion, yeah. We can tell when you're out of state.
Anyway, we've had a great time, and we've hiked and taken a lot of pictures and had a great time. Randy already beat us back to the motel. He is probably in his pajamas and had a hot shower, so we're looking forward to that.
And sucking his thumb. He didn't want to brave it out with us.
Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel, to Utah Hikers, and we will see you next time.